Alright.
I'm biggest. I go first.
There's our tourist guide.
Ayan,
Grab. From Odjongan to Canduyong. Gawang tulay. Walang traffic.
King,
Yes.
you can see Dresden's husband when you go to town.
Junjun?
Yeah.
No?
It's not, I think he had a problem with the traffic.
Where?
Here in Odjongan.
No. You don't stop?
No, he had some helper there.
Okay. Diyan kami nagdadate ka.
Beach resort. Motor lang kayo.
Oo.
Public ba yan o may entrance?
Hindi ko yun. Restaurant.
Ah, rest.
Pag kumakain ka. Restaurant. Tagalan. Halos hindi ka namin mga video. Restaurant. Pa na yun eh. Nasa Marinsog. 25 plus 5.
Here's your friend home.
Zara.
May boyfriend. Sabi naman yun yung boyfriend mo. Kahit nasa Boracay kami, nagsisend, Ma'am, may parcel ka. Sabi ko, iwanan mo lang dyan sa kanto. I-send mo sa akin yung Gcash mo. Okay po. Ito na camera na. Alin? Kasi papagmanin yung mga tuyo. Kaya nga yun.
Ayun, wala kasi doon na yun. Oo. Masarap na yung lalaki.
Hindi mo.
Yung mga ganito lang. Oo.
Pinagkilala ko ako pagmahal sa
Oo, masarap. Ano lang. I-erase mo lang.
Pang view. Pang view. The pang view. It's a bird. I can't believe.
Marami pa tayo.
Here's the view.
Where's the high?
Pick view.
Pau pau.
Pick view yan.
Pick view.
Pick view yung tawag.
Ah. For real? Tiktik View, Kabaliwan.
Ang kulit mo ako.
Kabaliwan. Mga puno. Manila teachers.
Ang mga naka-helmet na lahat. Pang bike naman ang helmet.
Hmm.
Hindi nga nakakapit. Nakagpatong doon sa ulo.
Hindi naka...
Business lang din. Ayan
Um,
sila. Pag bike na mga.
Tatay.
I have a problem. Where's
What?
my helmet?
Huh? You didn't bring me?
Do I have my helmet there? Shit.
No, maybe you
Is it my
forgot.
motorbike?
Maybe. You didn't bring here.
Tawagan mo na lang.
Iwan mo yata doon. Sa kalakbay mo.
Hindi nasa harap. Nakakapit.
Sitio Baliga.
Mamaya baka may tawagan mo
Mawawala
na may
yun.
kontak ka doon.
Hindi na mawawala yun.
Bagong-bago pa. Plastic yan. Kakapit lang dyan sa harapan. Hindi naman yung siguro.
Pag nawala, ipa-review na lang yung CCTV. Very good. Tandoyong Elementary School. Tandoyong. Ay, yung mga bata o mga naglalaro. Recess.
Recess. 9:45 to 10 recess.
Laro-laro lang sila.
Ay, dapat pinicture mo ko first.
Ranch. Tandoyong Ranch. Peter. Ranch.
The cowboy.
Sabi yun, nilang kabaka yun. Mag 70,000 isa.
Ah,
Baka.
depende pa sa laki.
Dun, 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 dun.
May apat na yung kanya. May papa. Buntis na naman.
You don't hold your helmet, you don't put it on the bike. Maybe you put it inside it.
No, it's in the bike. I never sit down
Mm.
there. I think it's in the bike. I hung it in the bike in the.
What it is? Small road.
Narrow.
Narrow road.
The bike, maybe it's in the. Oh yeah, it's on now.
That guy, he's sitting there every day, every year.
You cannot walk.
Put him there.
Maybe the relatives.
He can't walk.
He can walk, but with the support. Somebody just bought this land.
Paano pag nag-widening?
Hi.
Hi, boss. Circle
Minsan
of
doon naliligo sa amin.
Fisheries.
Wala nang tubig dito sa baba. Okay sila sa bomba.
Sa bomba. Tago naman dito alam nila.
Here if you turn left, this is Lazada Highway.
Lazada. Alright,
Yeah,
approaching Lazada Highway. GFK. The GFK, New York Airport. John F. Kennedy.
Okay.
Thank you.
I think I'll let you out before I park
Alright,
close to the wall.
yes. Park muna. And that's it.